Today we will learn fruits name on train. Apple. Hello, I am apple, round and sweet. Hello, I am mango, yellow and sweet. Hello, my name is orange, round orange. Hello, I am banana, big yellow banana. Hello, my name is grapes, green grapes. Hello, I am pineapple, round yellow pineapple. Hello, I am guava, green guava. Hello, my name is fig, round fig. Hello, I am lychee, strong lychee, sweet lychee. Hello, my name is papaya, green papaya. Hello, I am pear, green pear. Hello, my name is watermelon, red green watermelon. Hello, I am pomegranate, red pomegranate. If you like my videos, please do like, share and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, thanks and subscribe. Please my video, like, subscribe please.